You don't know what's in this box, do you,
do.
Shirley?
I know what's in this box.
How do you know what's in the box?
Because it was sold to Toastmasters International, Jamaica Street in Colorado.
Come from Colorado?
States.
Headquarters?
Yeah. Headquarter, yeah.
And how heavy is it? Because I'm going to photograph the opening.
Half a kilo.
How much?
Half a kilo.
Half a kilo? That must have cost a fortune to send from the States.
Well,
Did you pay for this? Did this cost you money?
This is my Distinguished Toastmaster
What?
award.
Distinguished Toastmaster?
Yes.
Shirley Gallagher?
Yes.
There are very few Distinguished Toastmasters in Cork.
I suppose there are.
I'm not sure that I couldn't name them all.
Well, me and Marilyn are Toastmasters.
Yeah, but she's in Canada.
Well, she's in Guardians. And Guardians in Cork.
Guardian clubs in Cork, I know. But on the other hand, Moira O'Brien, who lives out the country in Cork, is a Distinguished Toastmaster.
Yes.
Living in the county.
So I have a commercial invoice.
A commercial invoice. Did it come without any VAT or anything?
Well, I don't know.
I don't want
how
to
they
reveal.
manage it,
I don't want to reveal your address. Private data. But let's just see this thing. It's a product, DTM plaque. I always wish they call it Distinguished Toastmaster plaque.
Well, I think I'd have to agree with you. So, my order, the packing list, and...
Now, this is the first time I have ever seen one unpacked, Shirley.
Okay, well, first time.
I see people.
Well, Marilyn has a whole plethora of them up on her wall. I have to figure out where I'm going to put this.
Well, if and when I get mine, I'm still doing my project. But it's when, yeah. But I tell you what, I'll probably be.
That's so nice, Paul, that you're here to film it.
I feel so privileged, so honoured. Shirley Gallagher, let's see. Oh my goodness.
I should have done my hair.
Never mind. This is real time, This is all the excitement and fabulous. And who signed it? Sorry, let me just see. Because it's got a signature. Daniel Rex signs everything. Raddy Spear, the international president. So I don't mean to be disrespectful to Daniel Rex. I like Daniel Rex.
Did we meet him? Was he at...
I met him and had a chat with him. And it's even possible that he would remember my name. What does can you read out the company?
So it has my name and address.
Yeah.
The 25th of January.
Okay.
Dear Toastmaster Gallagher.
2025, by the way.
2025. Yeah. Congratulations. You have achieved Distinguished Toastmaster DTM recognition. The greatest honour that can be earned by a member of Toastmasters International.
Wow.
The DTM award signifies you have demonstrated outstanding service and accomplishment in leadership and communication skills, and have used these skills to help others in their self-development efforts. It also means you completed 2 parts in the Toastmasters Pathways learning experience and fulfilled important leadership roles, earning several awards along the way. These accomplishments have undoubtedly given you a greater perspective of the value of being a good communicator and an effective leader, as you assisted your club, your district and your community. Bravo!
Bravo, and it's absolutely true.
I'm delighted to recognise you as a Distinguished Toastmaster. Your outstanding achievement will serve as an inspiration to all Toastmasters,
including me.
Enclosed is a plaque in honour of your achievement. Sincerely, Daniel Rex, CEO.
How do you feel?
I feel great. I suppose, you do know I completed it in October, and then the website went down and it took a little while, and then there was all these vagaries on the new website, on the updated, And then, so Marilyn and I went through it after speaking with Toastmasters, and we managed to get it signed off. So I'm thrilled. The 25th, actually, that's quite nice. The 25th of January 25 is when I got it, which is really nice. So I've been in Toastmasters since 2012, having been a visiting guest for about 4 years before that. And yeah, I'm thrilled.
You also are the person who inspired me
That's true.
to visit a Toastmasters meeting.
Yes.
And at the end of that particular first Toastmasters meeting, I joined.
That's true.
Shirley, congratulations. I couldn't congratulate you enough. And on behalf of all the Toastmasters in Ireland, in District 71, in
91.
the whole, and District 91,
Because I
sustainable
do
speakers in
Yes.
District 91. On behalf of Region 10, which is the whole of Europe,
Yes.
and actually on behalf of Toastmasters International, warmest congratulations. We're very fortunate to have you supporting the whole lot of us.
Thank you, Paul.